welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with this company. It's my first time trying them out. I'm really excited. This box is quite different. Never really had one like this, but you see it has like grids. You know, I can actually push my finger through, but yeah. VShow here is who I'm working with today. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. Yeah, VShow human here, that's what's written on the box. And let's see what's inside. Oh, so see, this is a late shipment because I'm just getting these. This is so cute little keychain. Okay, and then I got this card here. It's an information card. It says VShow, and it's just, you know, list their social media, how to care for your hair, all that good stuff. So yep. Also I have a wig cap, and I got the wig. So guys, I'm excited about this because this is one of them trendy wigs. Yeah, it's definitely trendy. But this is a mix. Alright, so it's like silver and black. You guys know this is a trendy look right now. Super trendy. So this is what the vibe's gonna be for the look I'm going to be rocking this weekend. Is a silky straight texture that we're working with. It does have flyaways. That's how it looks. It's 26 inches long. I'm going to be sure to put the information in the description box, you know, where you can go and get it if you're interested. It is pre-plucked, so that's how it looks. Let me show you the inside. It's a 13 by 4 lace front. Okay, this is how the inside looks. It has a total of 4 combs and adjustable straps in the back. So yeah, it came with a This is a medium cap size. I forgot to mention to you guys, I'm just cutting away the extra ear portion, but it is one of those mediums that is a little bit bigger, but no problems, because it's best it's a little bit bigger than it's too small. I always mention this because that's just a nightmare if it's too small for your head. But yeah, this is how it's looking, and I'm gonna do a really nice secure glue install for this. So yeah, so that's what I'm gonna get started on. I must say that I am getting shedding, so just bear that in mind. It is processed, as you can see, so that those things, you know, accelerates shedding. I'm just gonna cleanse the area with alcohol and speed through this portion. Decided that I am not gonna do the center part. I'm gonna do a side swoop with this wig. So I'm just laying the front here. So yeah, that's what I decided. I just want that nice, sleek, nice girl look, you know. So guys, I basically went ahead and I cut off like 2 inches off the ends because I wanted it to be way fuller at the ends, so it looks really nice and healthy and thick and full. I am loving how everything came together. Now it's just for me to go ahead and get glam, straighten it. I just need to quickly run through this with my flat iron, but the next time you see me, it's gonna be in the morning. So let's just fast forward to that. Let's go. So guys, I'm all done with this wig. Turned out really sleek and nice, just like I wanted it, exactly how I wanted it. Really flowy, really flowy. As I said, it's my first time trying this color combo. It's not bad. Honestly, I just didn't really wear silver hair before because I just felt like, I don't know, it wouldn't suit me. But this is kind of trying it out because it's streaked, but it's really nice. The only thing I would minimize is like the flyaways. It did have some shedding, so those are things to note. But it laid really well. The cap size was a little bit bigger than my regular medium, but it worked, as you can see, and it turned out just fine. The hair is really sleek and flowy, and yeah, that's how we're looking. I did pronounce the parting here, so yeah. I'm going to be sure to put all the information on this wig in my description box, so please go ahead and check that out, as well as the direct link if you're interested in purchasing it. So yeah, that's it for today. Shout out to VShow here once more for this gorgeous wig. It's really pretty, and that's it. So don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV, and that's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.